And here we have Hudson's. I wonder what Hudson sent you. Uh-oh, are you using those muscles? Let me see you use those. Oh! You're strong, buddy. Well, come on. What? Okay. Yes, you. Up high. On vacation. You're almost there. Yay! Good job. What you got? Up. What's it say? That's for Thanksgiving. Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me. And the others we're going to put in... oh, okay. You're right. Uh-oh. You got the gobble, gobble, gobble? Is there a gobble, gobble, gobble in there? Not a gobble, gobble. Is it a gobble, gobble? Is it a gobble, gobble? No, other way. This way. There you go. It is a gobble, gobble. What? Stay? Okay, hold on. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving. Oop. Garrett and family. Favorite memories, fun and laughter, simple joys of living. May all these fill your home with warmth, your heart, and true Thanksgiving. Have a woof-tastic day. Love and puppy kisses, Hudson, the railroad puppy, and family. Oh, can you give him big hugs and kisses? Oh, good job.
Mama.
What? Yeah, you? Go bye-bye? Okay. On vacation. We got you. For 5 days. Or 10 days. 20 days? You just want to go on vacation? Yeah. All right. Yes, we will. All right. Well, Hudson, thank you so much. And we will be back.